Now, properties of union set. Properties of union set. We know that commutative property, associative property, identity law, law of inverse. Similarly, in sets, there is a commutative property, associative property, existence of identity. See here, commutative property. A union B, if you find A union B, it is B union A. Second, associative property, grouping of two and then find third. We take three sets in this. A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Third, law of identity element. Law of identity element. लॉ ऑफ आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट क्या लेते हैं 5. एडिशन कम्यूटेटिव 0 लेते थे, किसी भी नंबर में 0 ऐड करते तो 0 आ जाता था. सिमिलरली A यूनियन 5 इज A. इसको बोलते हैं लॉ ऑफ आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट. फोर्थ यू कैन टेक आइडेम्पेंट लॉ. A यूनियन A करेंगे, A का यूनियन A के साथ लेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, A आ जाएगा. दिस यू कॉल आइडेम्पोटेंट लॉ. फिफ्थ है लॉ ऑफ यूनिवर्सल. ए का यूनियन किया यूनिवर्सल के साथ तो क्या सेट आएगा, यू सेट आएगा. दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ यूनियन सेट. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ सेट. इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ सेट. सेकेंड, इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ सेट्स. इसको अपन उल्टा लिखो. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ सेट्स. इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ सेट्स A and B is the set of all elements which belong A and B also. means A and B में common elements को क्या कहते हैं, common elements is a intersection set. जो A को भी belong करे and B को भी belong करे, that is intersection set. It is denoted by A intersection B X such that X belongs to A and इधर क्या आ जाएगा, and X belongs to B. Now with Venn diagram, see here, this is A set, this is B set, this is universal set, this is common element. This shaded portion is called A intersection B. Example, if A is equal to 1 2 3 5 and B is equal to 6 7 3 2, then what is A intersection B here? Only common elements 3 3 2 2, 3 2 is the intersection set. Now properties of intersection sets. Properties of intersection sets. Properties of intersection sets. Similarly, commutative property. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Commutative property. सेकेंड एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी, ए बी सी आर थ्री सेट, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी करेंगे, इंटरसेक्शन सी करेंगे, इज इक्वल टू ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इंटरसेक्शन सी, इट इज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. थर्ड, लॉ ऑफ phi, a intersection, if you take phi, then what is the set? A intersection phi is what is the intersection? It is a को अगर phi के संग इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? phi आएगा. Fourth, a intersection a itself is a. A intersection a is a. Now one more property, that is distributive property. In lower classes you studied about distributive property, that is multiplication over addition. Here union over intersection and intersection over distributes over union. See here, distributive property, A union B intersection C. How will you write? A intersection B union A intersection C. This is intersection distributes over U union. Now if second part, A union B A union B A union, here it is union, A union B intersection C, it is intersection, it is union over intersection and it is intersection over union. So A union B intersection A intersection A union C, this is union over intersection, union over intersection.